Imagine picking up a brand new iPhone and, for a second, genuinely wondering, is this actually an iPhone? Because if the latest leaks are right, Apple is about to mess with one of the most recognizable phone designs ever. According to a pretty reliable leaker, Apple has quietly moved the iPhone 18 lineup into sample production. And that's a big deal because this stage usually locks in key design choices. From what's being whispered, we're getting 4 models again. The regular iPhone 18, the Pro Max, and the Air 2. And on paper, some things look very familiar. Screen sizes? Basically unchanged. Refresh rate? Still smooth 120Hz across the board. LTPO displays everywhere. Nothing shocking there. But here's where it gets interesting. The regular iPhone 18 and the Air 2 are apparently sticking with the dynamic island. Same pill-shaped cutout we've been seeing for years now. Safe, predictable, Apple being Apple. The Pro models, though? Completely different story. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to ditch the dynamic island altogether. Instead, Apple may finally move Face ID under the display, leaving just a tiny punch hole for the selfie camera. No notch, no island, just screen. And that's wild when you think about it, because iPhones have had some kind of cutout since the iPhone X back in 2017. That design has basically defined modern iPhones for nearly a decade. If this happens, the Pro models are going to look instantly different from the front. Cleaner, more futuristic, and honestly, probably closer to what Apple has wanted all along. And this isn't just a random experiment. The bigger picture here points to something even more interesting. All of this seems to be building toward the iPhone 20 next year, which is rumored to be Apple's big anniversary phone. The one that finally goes fully edge-to-edge with no visible camera cutouts at all. A true slab of glass, front and center. Now here's the twist. Apple might not even launch all iPhone 18 models at the same time. There are rumors that the Pro models will launch first, while the standard iPhone 18 could arrive later. Which means the normal iPhone might stay stuck with the dynamic island longer, while the Pros move ahead into this new design era. We won't know what Apple's actually planning until September, because that's when the Pro models usually show up. But if these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could be the biggest visual change we've seen in years. So the question is, do you like this direction? Would you be okay with Pro iPhones looking totally different from the regular ones? Or should Apple move everyone forward at the same time? Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.